If you're a woman and you're trying to lose weight, know that keto diet is not a great option for you because men need only 3% of essential body fat, whereas women need upwards of 12%. This is even more important in the important phases in their life, such as lactation and pregnancy. So what happens when a woman gets on a keto diet? In a keto diet, we have to reduce carbohydrate intake by less than 50 grams in a day. And when this happens, the woman's brain starts resisting. The hormones in our body started resisting to this reduction in carbohydrate. So ketogenic diet may work in a short-term period. You may lose water, but over a long period of time can have a lot of side effects such as bloating, nausea, irritability, fatigue, and even constipation. And especially ketogenic diet is not recommended for people with fertility issues, PCOD and PCOD and irregular periods. Having said that, keto diet is not a great option for women.